students, welcome to JVS Kannauj. Student of class 5. Today we are going to start the PA2 syllabus. So first chapter of the PA2 syllabus is chapter 9, measurements. In the previous classes we have also studied about the measurements. So here we have to, in the previous classes, place value chart of metric system, conversion of units of mass, length and capacity from larger units to smaller units and vice versa, larger to smaller and smaller to larger, and addition and subtraction of metric measurements and applications of addition and subtraction of measurement of length, masses and capacities in real life, that means word problems. So some metric conversions are given here. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. If we find 1 millimeter equal, so we have 1 upon 10 centimeter. In decimal form, 0.1 centimeter. Similarly, if we find out the 1 meter equal, so we have 100 centimeter, or 1 centimeter equal 1 upon 100 meter. In decimal form, 0.01 meter. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram, or 1 gram equal 1 upon 1000 kilogram. In decimal form, 0.001 kilogram. 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram. And 1 liter equal, that is the capacity is measured in liter or milliliter. So 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. If we found 1 milliliter equal, so 1 upon 1000 liter, in decimal form 0.001 liter. The scale of metric system is given. In the right side, we have smaller to larger. Smaller to larger. Kilo, hecto, deca is the basic unit. Unit 1, deci, centi, then milli. So smaller to larger. Milli 1000, then we divide by 10, that is centi, 100. Again we divide by 10, so we have deci, 10, and again divide by 10, so we have 1 as a basic unit. And again if we divide by 10, so we have 1 upon 10, 0.1, that is deca. Then again divide by 10, so we have 0.01, that is hecto. And again divide by 10, so 0.001 kilo. In the left side, we have larger to smaller. Larger to smaller. 0.001, if we multiply it by 10, so we get 0.01, that is hecto. Then again multiply by 10, so we have 0.1, that is deca. Again multiply by 10, so 0.1 multiplied by 10, so we have 1, that is the basic unit, that is 1. Then again multiplied by 10, so 1 into 10 equals to 10, so deci. And then again multiplied 10 by 10, so 10 10 is 100, that is centi. And 100 multiplied by 10, so we have 1000 milli. So from this conversion we have to find out the questions. So first we have to start the warm-up exercise. Here fill in the blanks are given: length, mass and capacity. First one is the 1 kilometer equal, then dash meter. So we know that 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So we have to fill in the space 1000. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. 1 hectometer 1 centimeter equal how many meters? So 1 centimeter equal 1 upon 100 meter. If we convert in decimal form, so we have 0.01 meter. So 1 centimeter equal 0.01 meter. 1 millimeter equal how many meters? One millimeter equal 1 upon 1000 meter. When we convert in decimal form, 1 upon 1000, so we have 3 zeros. So decimal after 3 placed on the right side. So we have 0.001 meter. So 1 millimeter equal 0.001 meter. Similarly, we have to find out the mass and capacity. Next, question number 2. That is the warm-up exercise. Warm-up exercise. Question number 2. Here we have to add 750 centimeter and 550 centimeter. 750 centimeter and 550 centimeter. So 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 7 5 12, 1 13. 1300 centimeter. Then write the sum in millimeter. So 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So when we convert 1300 multiplied by 10, so equals to 13,000 millimeter. 13,000 millimeter. Next, 4252 centimeter. 4252 centimeter and 50 decimeter. Write the sum in meter. 50 decimeter. So convert both the units in meter, then add. So 4252 centimeter equal in meters 42.52 meter and 50 dm. So 5 meter. Then add 0.5, 5 to 7 and 4. 47.5 meter. 47.5 meter. This time we have to add. Now option number 3, subtract. (9.567 kilometer from 10 kilometer). 9.567 kilometer from 10 kilometer. So 10 kilometer, write kilometer and meter. 10 है 00 and 9.567. 9.567 means 9 kilometer and 567 meter. Then subtract. So carry out 1 for the kilometer. Then we carry out 1 kilometer in meter. So we know that 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So carry out 1, so it is 1000. Then subtract 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 6 3 and 9 minus 5 4 and 9 minus 9 0. So we have 0 kilometer and 433 meter. So we can also write as 0.433 kilometer. 0.433 kilometer. Next one is subtract 320 gram from 2 kilogram. So kilogram and gram, 2 kilogram and gram is 000 and 320 gram, 320 gram. Then subtract. So same process we have to apply here, like in kilometer. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Similarly, in 1 kilogram, here we have length, but here we have mass. So 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So carry out 1. So we have 1000 gram. Then subtract 0. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6 and 1. So we have 1 kilogram and 680 gram. Then we convert in kilogram. So we have 1.680 kilogram. Because 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram or 1 gram equal 0.001 kilogram. So we have decimal after 3 places. So 1.680 kilogram. Next part. .725 liter from 55 liter. C part. 10.725 liter from 55 liter. To write here units liter and milliliter. 55 liter and 10.725. 000 and 10 and 725. 10.725 means 10 liter and 725 milliliter. Then subtract. So this value is less than this value. So we have to carry out 1 from liter. So here we have 4 and 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So 1000, then subtract 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 4 minus 0, 4 and 5 minus 1, 4. So we have 44 liter and 275 milliliter. When we convert in liter, so 44.275 liter. 44.275 liter. Next, the sum of this and this from this. So first we have to find out the sum of 425 and 950. 425 centimeter and 950 centimeter. 950 centimeter. So 5, 5, 2, 7, 9, 4, 13. 1375 centimeter. Then subtract from 17 meter. Convert this into meter. So we have 13.75. 13.75 meter. Then subtract from 17. So 17.00 and 13.75. Then subtract. So carry out 1. So we have 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, and 6 minus 3 3. So we have 3.25 meter. 3.25 meter. Now question number 4. The length and breadth of rectangular plot is given. How much fencing will be required for the plot? Fencing means find out the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So length equal 10.5 meter and breadth equal 9.75 meter. 9.75 meter. Then find out the how much fencing is required. To find out the perimeter of rectangular plot. Perimeter of rectangular plot equals to 2 bracket length plus breadth. Put the value of L and B. So 2 brackets 10.5 plus 9.75. So we have 2, 5, 7, 5, 12, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 1, 20. 20.25. Then multiply 2 into 20.25. So we have 40.50. So fencing required 40.5 meter. So required fencing of the rectangular plot is 40.5 meter. And question number 5. Add 4.35 kilogram and 14.25 kilogram and 950 gram and subtract the sum so obtain from 30 kilogram 300 gram. So first we have to add all the given three values. 4.350, 4.350, 14.250, 14.250 and 950 gram, that equals to 0.950 kilogram. And add, so we have 0, 5, 3 are 15, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6 plus 9, 15, 4, 4, 8, 1, 9, 19.550 kilogram. Then subtract from 30 kilogram 300 gram. 19.550. Then subtract. So carry out 1. So we have 1300 gram. Then subtract. So we have 0, 10 minus 5, 5, and 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 9, 0, and 2 minus 1, 1. So we have 10.750 kilogram. 10.750 kilogram. So this time we have to solve the one exercise. Some convergence and addition and subtraction of the metric measurements. Solve the questions. If you have any doubt, then ask. Thank you, students.